An old favorite with a new recipe and a new color. Can she soap it? Firstly, I'm going to add tea tree essential oil to my melted oils. Notice how faded the label is on my essential oil? That's because I didn't use this trick the first half of the bottle. If you give the essential oil something to follow into the soap, then it won't roll down the side of the bottle and eventually make your label fade. Burp the blender to help reduce air bubbles and splashes. Now I'm adding the lye water solution. It's blended to a nice emulsion, and now it's time to separate it for some color. I'm blending a little bit more than I typically would to incorporate the yellow. That's because the activated charcoal portion will set up a lot more quickly than the portion with the mica in it. I wanted them to be a similar consistency when I ended up doing my design for the soap. So a little extra blending made it a little bit thicker to work with. You can see how the portion that I colored with activated charcoal is getting much thicker, much faster than the small portion that I had with the yellow mica. I'm going for a little bit of a drop swirl design here. Now I'm going to add a little bit of swirl to the top of the soap. 24 hours later. You can tell your soap is ready to come out of the mold when you pull the sides of the mold away from the soap and the soap doesn't stick to it. Even though this soap is ready to be unmolded, I still have to be very careful not to knock the bottom corners off with the mold when I take it out. I turn it on its side because it's a little bit more narrow than it is tall. My miter box is not quite as tall as my soap, so it makes it hard to make a good straight cut unless I turn it on its side. While I like the design, I'm not sure I'm thrilled about the color. Feel free to leave me a comment suggesting what color you think might work better with the activated charcoal and tea tree oil. It could be a different shade of gold or an entirely different color.